And here's part 3 of In the Community with Brenda Lockhart. Obviously, this is a family-based business. So, how has it been working with your family, with your wife?
Wonder what my wife said. I wonder what my wife said. Well, I'm working at the shop with my wife. She work up front with the people there because me no response for them. And I have a daughter where she angle all the website and all them technical things, digital, the Facebooking thing. You know, she work with all of those things. Because I'm in that generation. So it's good. But sometimes my wife come with some idea in her head. I mean, know where come from. Must did live here too long. Because she forget say, I run the business. Nobody out there not run my business. So me just have to kind of remind her sometime.
I can understand.
There and then, me just tell her no.
So tell me, Mrs. Seedingford, how is it working with your husband, Mr. Casual?
What can you say?
I'm sorry, Mrs. Seedingford. I can't disclose that.
Well, it's good.
We have time where, where we have disagreement on certain thing. He want to do things certain way, and we just come and try push him a little bit to see, see things in a different scope, and 99% of the time it no work out, but I casual shop what me can do. Me can't do nothing about it. So me just offer up some suggestion. But if you not take it, what me can do? What me can do? So it have a challenge because you not always want to see things try different scope. So sometimes me have to kind of push him a little bit, but it not work about 95% of the time. So Kaji is his own person. And I just have to respect that, I just have to respect that him come here and start the business, and it's growing. It's growing. It's growing. It's growing. Stay tuned next week where we'll continue our conversation with Casual's Restaurant.